So based on the sound you hear, you can actually tell if you're healthy or not.
What?
Okay, so listen to this sound.
Laurel, 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 laurel,
Yanny. Yanny.
laurel.
I hear Yanny.
So if you're hearing the word Yanny, since Yanny is actually a higher frequency, it requires younger and healthier ears to be able to hear it. But for older people who don't have healthy ears, they're actually hearing Laurel. And no matter how hard they try, they will never hear Yanny. Because Laurel is actually a lower frequency, making it easier for people that have bad ears to be able to hear it.
Okay, I wonder who else could hear Yanny then.
I cannot.